which will help students prepare for ISI 2025, are expert in the preparation of mathematics, industry's best ISI selection. Hello dear students, myself Harisharan Luthra, and today I am here to give you a very important piece of information that is about this batch which will help students prepare for ISI 2025, IOQM 2024 and JEE Math 2025. So this is for math enthusiasts who are really passionate about mathematics and who probably are not so great in physics or chemistry or want to build careers only in mathematics. Last year, Vedantu Olympiad School, which is an elite school for Olympiad preparation, launched a course for ISI preparation. And in the very first year of ISI, Vedantu Olympiad School gave industry's best ISI selections. We got 12 students went to ISI Kolkata and 11 students went to ISI Bangalore. You check various competitions. These are the industry's best results going to ISI institutes. Not only that, this happened because in Vedantu Olympiad School, the teachers of Vedantu Olympiad School are expert in the preparation of mathematics, deep mathematics, high-level mathematics. Teachers like Abhay Mahajan sir, who has been an anchor on Vedantu Olympiad School, who has also authored books on IOQM, along with Chetan Garg sir, Surinder sir, these kind of IIT and NSIT toppers are in this batches. These teachers not only prepared students at the best of ISI levels, but also they were with students till the end. In fact, you can see a snapshot of mock interviews that we conducted for ISI preparation just before the interview. In case you don't know about ISI, well, we have covered lots and lots of videos on ISI. You can check Vedantu Olympiad channel for complete ISI information. But just to give you a brief information about ISI exam is for mathematics, and there are three parts to this examination: a UGA, which is objective, UGB subjective, and an interview. So our team of teachers were there with students till the end, and needless to say, we supported students for very exhaustive doubt support through our Telegram groups. So you can see our teachers, different teachers took interviews of students to help students prepare for ISI. These kind of efforts, relentless efforts helped us get these amazing results that you are seeing. Not only this team of teachers, the teachers in Vedantu Olympiad School recently also created history in IOQM. Before I go ahead, let's look at what students had to say about our ISI experience last year.
Olympiads are also a really integral part of my preparation. I wrote IOQM exam 3 times, and for each of those 3 times, I was able to get a lot of help from Vedantu through their YouTube channel, RMO batch and IOQM camp.
The classes that were taken were always very fun and very engaging, and the assignments that would be given to us after every class were crucial in helping us build our problem-solving abilities.
Vedantu Olympiad School has supported me a lot. Our teachers, Abhay sir, Chetan sir, Lohit sir and Surinder sir, always supported me, not only guided me in the topics but also mentored me in a right path.
Way this course helped me was I never studied for JEE. So all the JEE part of ISI exam was covered completely by the Vedantu teachers, and it really helped me a lot.
I would love to suggest the juniors that if you really love maths and want to pursue career on maths, then please sit for ISI and CMI entrance. By chance, if you don't clear it, then also the preparation will teach you a lot, because this preparation enables you to think critically and also increases your thought-provoking skills.
Alright, so as I said, students, these amazing teachers have also given spectacular results in IOQM 2023, which just got concluded. In fact, in IOQM 2023, in Vedantu, 549 students have got IOQM certificates and 426 students have qualified for RMO. You check various competitions, these are industry's one of the best results, if not the best. And if I talk of students in 9-10, then probably this is the best. 42% of students studying with us for Olympiad preparation, IOQM preparation got certificates. Beat that record. So what makes us so special? It is very, very deep understanding of mathematics. It is teaching students at that level through India's best teachers in mathematics and mathematics Olympiads. So these teachers are launching a batch for ISI preparation for 2025, and as I said, this batch will not only focus on ISI, this batch automatically will cover IOQM 2024 preparation and JEE Math 2025 preparation. So this batch is designed for, ideally this batch is designed for 11th standard students who are very much focused for mathematics, who have already decided that ISI is their ultimate destination, or for that matter, who already decided to build careers in mathematics. There are lots and lots of institutes and lots of career opportunities only if you decide to pursue mathematics. Needless to say, this will also benefit students in 10th standard and 9th standard who are little ahead of their school, who are not worried about 9-10 CBSE and want to start early for JEE. This course is going to make sure, if for a 9th student, before he enters into 11th standard, he'll be done with Olympiad mathematics as well as JEE mathematics, so that he can completely focus on physics and chemistry if his ultimate goal is JEE also. So in this course, my dear students, it's going to be a long course, 156 live lectures which will span across 16 months. So this course, if it starts in October, will probably end somewhere in 2025 Jan types. And with every lecture, there will be topic wise assignments. Not only that, across these 156 lectures, we'll have 28 part tests, 2 full tests, and all the doubts will be solved on telegrams. If I talk of how exactly these 156 lectures are covered, so we'll be starting the course with basic mathematics so that students of 9th, 10th, even if they don't know the JEE part, the Olympiad part, still they can start from very basic. So we'll start with basic mathematics, go to trigonometry, complete entire trigonometry, and then start coordinate from straight lines to circles to conics. This part, probably quadratic also will be able to cover till February. As a result, before students get into April, their majority of 11th will be done. So after that, we'll be covering binomial, sequence, and complex numbers, and then we'll go to combinatorics, number theory, the Olympiad topics. So these will be Olympiad topics that we'll do in April. So what we are doing is, we have designed this course in a manner then that part 1 is majorly 11th standard, part 2, which will be from April to September, April to August, will be IOQM mathematics, and then part 3 will be 12th standard, other rest of the JEE mathematics that students study, that is functions, inverse trigonometry, calculus, and all those topics. So across these 156 lectures, my dear students, as I said, every assignment will have text solutions, and every assignment will have 2 levels, easy level and a hard level, so that students are grilled thoroughly to the highest of levels required to ace ISI as well as IOQM and JEE. These tests, our bet is not even one question will be repeated, because we give a lot of thought in ensuring that every question is new, so that students get the real test of what can they get in ISI. We are very relentless in Telegram. In fact, let me tell you, daily basis, teachers like Abhay Mahajan sir, Chetan Garg sir, and the team who is working with them spends daily time on Telegram to solve doubts of students on Telegram. So that's the kind of support, and Telegram is not only used for doubt solving, but also used for updates, handling queries, and so on and so forth. So as I said, what will students gain from this course? Students who are getting into this course will not only prepare themselves for a success in ISI 2025, it also help them prepare for CMI examination, which is a very parallel examination to ISI. CMI means Chennai Mathematical Institute. IOQM 2024, as I said, April 24 to August 24 will be purely about IOQM, and then JEE Math syllabus is anyways getting completed. Students who will be part of this course I can bet on my life, they will see tremendous level enhancement. Their problem solving, especially of higher order thinking, unseen problems, will go to an altogether new level. And based on what students and parents have given feedback over the last so many years, students definitely fall in love with mathematics, and the ripple effect goes to other subjects also. So to talk about few specifics, folks, so specifics are this batch of ISI 2025, IOQM 2024, we also call this batch as Full Math Mastery. This batch will be on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and it just started on October 18th. It just started. As far as the payment is concerned, this batch is priced as in totality 26,666. You have two ways to go for this batch. Either you pay bulk payment, you get a discount of 24,000. You can directly go on the link given in the description box, or you can also take this batch in installments by paying 5,000 rupees as down payment and rest 4 installments, equal monthly installments spread across these 16 odd months. With this 5,000, honestly, only with this 5,000, your 50% of 11th will be done. So even if those students who are still not clear that where they will take admission in 12th or other subjects and have time, I would say 9-10 students, you should definitely go for this, because anyways till coordinate you will complete this batch even at this particular price. So folks, what are you waiting for? All I can say is go for your mathematics dream and give yourself best possible chance for ISI examinations. As I said earlier, if you don't know about ISI exam, some of you want to know more about ISI exam, you can follow our Vedantu Olympiad School YouTube channel, where there is a special playlist for ISI, where there are testimonials of students about ISI. You can talk about a lot of academic content for ISI, and you will get each and every information that you might be seeking for. So if you have any doubts, you can also click on the Google form given in the description box, where your queries will get to us, and my team, the team from Abhay Mahajan sir and Chetan Garg sir, will get back to you and solve all your queries. So as I said, what are you waiting for? Go for your mathematics dream, and with this, wish you all the best, students. May God bless you. See you in ISI batch which has just started. Thank you, bachcho.